All right, guys, you clicked the video, so I'm going to fulfill the promise. What program has no down payment, no closing costs, and doesn't require perfect credit?
Babe, does a program like that really exist because you would be getting the house for free?
Maybe. Well, honestly, that program does exist, and it's called the NACA Program.
Ah, you're talking about that program. So does it work, and what is it actually?
Well, I'm going to get into that in today's video. But we're also inside of an Affordability Series, and I don't know how long I'm going to be in it because I got a lot of stuff going in my brain that I want to give you. So we're going to talk about how to navigate the process. We're also going to talk about if NACA is for you, and then at the very, very end, you got to stay to the very end, guys, because I'm going to tell you how to navigate this program because it's extremely lengthy in one day. This is Love in Real Estate.
Hi, my name is Amanda.
My name is AD.
And we run a local real estate company called the Dapo Group.
Every week, we're going to take you into communities, restaurants, and experiences in DC and the surrounding areas.
Just think of us as your personal real estate agents. Enjoy the show.
Now, guys, you probably are wondering, what the heck is the NACA program? For those of you who don't know, NACA, first of all, stands for the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America. Let me say that one more time. The Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America. The Neighborhood Assistance.
Okay,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So, guys, it was developed in 1988 by Bruce Marks. He actually founded this nonprofit for low to moderate income individuals so that they would actually have access to financing. You know, those individuals who were denied conventional financing and also had a disadvantage for economic development or growth when it comes to home ownership.
Yeah, so like Amanda said, right, Bruce Marks' goal was to combat economic injustice and predatory lending. So the main benefits of the program are, we're going to list them. There's no down payment, there's no closing costs, no private mortgage insurance. You don't have to have the perfect credit, and it's below market interest rates. Plus, there's home counseling. I mean, it has a lot of benefits.
Oh my gosh.
So let's navigate the steps on actually how to get it done.
Want to know how to navigate the NACA process in 6 easy steps? Let's get started. Step 1, attending a workshop. Start by attending a free NACA workshop. This will give you an overview of all the program in and outs and what you need to qualify. Step 2, home buyers counseling. This is when you meet your NACA counselor. Think of them as your partner throughout this entire process. They'll help you create a budget, review your finances, and develop an action plan to get you mortgage ready. Step 3, submit your documents. This is like a traditional mortgage application. Well, they'll require you to verify your income, tax returns, and bank statements, things of that nature. Step 4, this is the most important part, the shock savings. This is by far the hardest part, getting you guys to commit to your savings program. NACA requires you to save the equivalent of your new mortgage for 6 months straight. So for example, if your new mortgage is $3,000, then for 6 months, you will have to save $3,000 straight. This is the toughest part for people. If you miss the $3,000 savings anytime during your 6-month period, you will have to start from the very beginning. The idea is to simulate like an actual mortgage payment, because you can't miss one of those, right? Cool. Step 5, get qualified. Once your documents are reviewed and your finances are in order and your shock savings is all saved up, you'll receive a NACA qualification. This will show that you're ready to start house hunting. And step 6, finding your home. Now, this is kind of like 6.5. Finding also a NACA real estate agent. It is so important to have someone who is a real estate professional that knows the NACA program ins and outs, because it will really support you in winning your offers. Of course, the Dapo Group is definitely a NACA certified real estate professional, and they will help you to find your dream home within your approved budget. Now, this is just the main program. NACA has many other programs to help you navigate what avenue of purchase is right for you, like their NACA new construction program or their home buying renovation program. In our masterclass, we can give you more insight on what program is best for you. But if you stay till the end of the video, I'll tell you the event that you can attend to get this done in as little as 1 day.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wow.
Welcome to the 2024 Olympic Games. My name is Amanda, your show host. No microphone. So
This is the wrong video. Guys, if you've made it halfway through this video, we must be doing something right.
Guys, if you want the best content around real estate and how to save on your money, and also, did we mention we're in the middle of an affordability series? Guys, you have to follow this channel.
Yes, if you want to learn more, please visit us at www.thedapper.com. I didn't expect her to do that yet.
Dun, dun, dun,
Let's get back to the video. Now, I have some reservations about the NACA program, like many of you.
And we're not talking to you guys.
So I'm going to talk about some of the cons, and I'm going to also explore if this program is the right fit for you.
So first of all, who's NACA for? They break it down by priority and non-priority members. NACA was originally built for low to moderate income individuals, but how's that determined? They determine it by basing your income compared to the area's median income. If your combined income is equal or less than the median family income for the area you're purchasing, you are a priority member. If your combined family income is above the median family income for the area, you are a non-priority member. If you're curious, you can find out the median income for your area by going to MSA Determination Tools on the NACA website. Spoiler for Prince George's County for 2024, it is $150,100. So, can people with higher income use NACA? The answer is yes, but your process may take a little bit more time. If you are patient, it is going to be worth it. NACA is not for those who want to buy an investment property. NACA strongly discourages the use of any types of secondary mortgages, such as a home equity line of credit or home equity loan. The NACA program is designed for the everyday person who just wants to own a home. So now, it's time for you to determine, is NACA right for you?
All right, guys, if you care to find out, we're actually in National Harbor. Can you see how beautiful the river is? Guys, if you want to know more about National Harbor, we did a whole video on it. You can check it out right here. Now, we are going to also get into what type of home you can buy with the NACA program.
Yeah, so we're going to take you on a home tour in Waldorf, Maryland, and show you a specifically NACA home tour.
Let's take a look at this lovely townhome in Waldorf, Maryland. This spacious 260 square foot townhouse offers 3 bedrooms and 4 baths. Perfect for those needing just a bit more space, with a detached 2-car garage and an additional 2 parking spaces. So you've got room for vehicles plus storage. Plus, this home is excellent for NACA financing. Why? Because it's in a stable neighborhood with appreciating values, which aligns perfectly with NACA's mission to promote affordability through homeownership in strong communities. If you want to learn more, please, of course, visit the description box below to get access to the listing.
No. I thought it was going to sell. It was 2 o'clock. It'd be hilarious if it turned on right now. Guys, we are finally at the final part of our episode. We have crushed it. You guys have crushed it by watching this all the way through. Did you take notes? Now, the most important thing is the bonus. How do you get NACA done in 1 day?
So it's actually called the NACA Achieve the Dream event. And this event allows you to, one, actually do a home buyer workshop. It allows you to actually also upload all your documents to the NACA portal. You also get to talk to a NACA mortgage counselor. And you even have underwriters that can actually approve your file in 1 day.
So crazy. You can actually get your entire NACA process done in 1 day. Now, where does the Achieve the Dream events happen? They actually happen all over the country. So keep your eyes out for an event in a city near you. Or if it's not happening in your city, turn it into a trip and make sure that it's worth that time investment. Because guys, now we're talking about turning a process that's 6 to 8 months into a 4 to 5 day process. And if you're really organized, a 1 day process.
Yeah, so we've given them a lot of information and we want to make sure you guys are paying attention. So we're going to test your knowledge.
Alrighty guys, let's see if you've been paying attention. Quick pop quiz. What is the first step in the NACA process? A. Submit your documents. B. Home buyers counseling. C. Attend a workshop. Or D. Start shopping for homes. We will give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C. Attend a workshop. Did you guys get it right? Comment in the comment section below. Comment, I got it right. Comment C. I would love to hear from you.
Oh, guys.
Cardio for today.
That's it.
Guys, you've made it to the end of the video. So that was NACA thoroughly and honestly explained. Was this video helpful?
Did you answer the questions right? That's what really matters. Now guys, if you are having any questions around NACA, guess what? Eddie and I happen to be NACA certified agents. Yes, that is a whole thing. We talked about that earlier in the video, of course. But if you want to get into our home buying masterclass and figure out the 3 Ps, get pricing, get a process, get a plan, go ahead and click the description box below and click masterclass.
So if you guys want to learn about the home or any of the communities that we talked about today, feel free to actually visit us at info@thedapogroup.com, or you can click the link below to jump on our calendars personally.
Watch out. Now, of course, share this video. Tell people about it. I know you've had someone that's talked about NACA, but probably doesn't even know where to start. Share this video. Go ahead and share, like, subscribe, because we were deep in an affordability series, and I don't know how long it's gonna go. Honestly, I really don't know, but I know I will help you understand your money a little bit better. Until next time, we are your favorite real estate couple. My name is Amanda.
And I'm AD.
And until next time, guys, bye.